Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the delayed flight. Let us have a quick look at this wonderful airport. Palanga International Airport in Lithuania, northern Lithuania.
Goods and bounce, cause you know those pigs deserve it. I want it all.
A small airport which is really wonderful. In general, Air Baltic flies a lot here. Actually, our plane belongs also to Air Baltic.
Losers, loners, bankers all roll into one.
I suppose somewhere here we can have a drink something, or from the vendor. Not many flights. The airport is a small one. To Riga only, maybe. Yes, exactly.
I found the secret. Take the goods and bounce, cause you know those pigs deserve it. I found the secret. Take the goods and bounce, cause you know those pigs deserve it. I want it all. I want it all. I need it all.
Wonderful windows everywhere. Let us speed up slightly. You may have a look at the reflections of the clouds.
I've been running around, rubbing tricks all day. I've been emptying pockets of the filth and the dead.
The graphics run quite smoothly,
Don't give a fuck.
though the scenery is quite heavy.
I'll take what I need, feed the anger inside of me.
Let's return inside.
I am the corporate butcher. I am the corporate butcher. I am the corporate butcher. Let me hear you say, I am the corporate butcher. I am the corporate butcher. I am the corporate
Yes, this airport is quite special. Everything is in the right place. The windows are really wonderful. We will stay inside the airport. And here I suppose is the waiting hall. And there is a small detail I would like to show you. Something that I found strange, the truth is. Yes, the boots.
Huh?
Okay. I mean, here it is just fine. The girl works here, of course. Can wear boots, but the truth is that I have some small objection about the stewardess, because as you know, in general, stewardesses check the tickets, but
You know what?
it seems
I just don't give a fuck.
it seems the dress is exactly the same. Let us go to our plane, which, as you may see, is an Air Baltic 208B. This one here. This is our plane. And I would like to show you how you can set some wonderful camera views inside and outside the plane. Wonderful weather conditions. The Grand Caravan is special for another reason. It is not only a very good plane, I mean, it is worth it to learn to fly the Grand Caravan, the 208E. And what is so special about this plane? This plane has an interior. All planes in Microsoft Flight Simulator don't have an interior, as you may know. And here you can save some wonderful camera views, and this is exactly what I will show you. For instance, the windows, isn't it? Just a few examples. You can save this camera view, isn't it? Or this camera view here, somewhere here. Here you can also have a look at your wings, another wonderful camera view from inside the plane. Or this one here. And of course, you can as well save some camera views from the other side, isn't it? Since you have the interior of the plane available. Just some examples you can experimentize and find your desired camera views to save. This one here, for instance. And so on and so on. So in my case, this is also very nice. In my case, as always, I have a few camera views for the control of the plane. Alt 1, Alt 2, and Alt 3. And then here it goes, Alt 4. This is the same camera view without the cockpit, actually an essential camera view, and also Alt 5, we are again outside of the plane, Alt 6, Alt 7, Alt 8. This is inside the plane actually, Alt 9, and Alt 0. And if you want to save a camera view, you know that you press CTRL plus Alt plus a number from 1 until 0. Most important is to remember that when you're outside of the plane, this is the camera view without the cockpit, which means the arrows on the numpad, right click on the mouse, isn't it? And when you find your desired position, you save this camera with CTRL plus Alt. You see? Okay? So you must modify the XYZ axis. We have set these things many times. You go to your computer, you go users, your name, my computer something, and then you go here, app data, you go local, you go packages, not MSFS packages, you go packages here, and there is a folder with an 8 Microsoft Flight Simulator. You see this 8 here. So you click here, again you go local cache, and then sim objects. You have a folder airplanes, and you have all the planes here, and you will choose this folder airplanes, this one here. So you find the plane that you want to adjust the cameras. For instance, in our case it was the Grand Caravan, which is a default plane actually, isn't it, of Asobo, this one here, Asobo 208B Grand Caravan. Okay, and here is the Camera.cfg file. You press here. As I said also in the previous clip, earlier I used to save a copy of this file, of the default Camera.cfg file. Now the truth is that I don't save any copy because nothing can go wrong. So as I said many times, you have this initial XYZ axis here. There are 10 cameras, camera definition 0, camera definition 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Camera definition 2, for instance, is this one here. Camera definition 1 is this one. And all these camera definition piles have an XYZ axis, which is actually at the end here, this initial XYZ axis. Okay? So you only change the first number here, this 0, okay, you will make it -5. Choose 3 cameras, whichever you like, and just change the first number here from 0 to -5. And then, of course, you save the file, isn't it? So now, if you return to the game, okay, you press Alt 1, this is my saved camera, Alt 2, Alt 3, and then, for instance, if you press Alt 4, you see something like this, which means that the modification was successful. You're outside of the plane. However, I insist on this, you continue to use the controls that you use when you're inside the plane. You use the arrows, isn't it? You use right click to turn. And if you want to move faster, I have said these things many times, you go here, camera, either if it is Microsoft Flight Simulator 20 or 24, the procedure is exactly the same. And then you go here, this free look speed, and change it from 50 to 100. This way you can move faster. Let's say the camera without the cockpit was something like this. Right click on the mouse, isn't it, and drag the mouse in order to change your position. You go here, you make the modifications that you prefer, go somewhere here, turn 180 degrees. Okay, and now press, for instance, CTRL plus ALT plus a number. In my case, it is number 4. Alt 1, Alt 4. Okay? Now, if you want to save some camera views, you change your position. For instance, here, isn't it? This is a camera that I always like, something like this. And you can save this one here. Or you can save this one. Now from the other side, go higher. You go from the other side and you can as well here save another camera position. For instance, this one here, isn't it? And also I have two positions inside the plane, which is this one here, these two. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this will be all for now, and we will continue. Our last landing was in Alexandroupolis Airport, Greece. I saved the landing with the flight recorder, and I have created a remix song with these camera views that I showed you. And let us see the Cessna Caravan 208B in action during landing. Let us hear another remix song, a combination of internal cameras, cameras inside the plane, external cameras, cameras outside of the plane, and the drone camera, of course. You may have a look at this landing. I think this will be all for now. We can watch our landing. Thank you for watching this clip. I hope you will enjoy the continuation with the flight recorder. You take care and bye for now.